it won't burn.
So the light is in this place, not inside the tank. So if you put it inside your cylinder safe, so nothing will happen, nothing like explosion. Now, that's yours. So this one now, just wait.
No worry. You don't want to not be like
See,
Just look at it. So that you
come on,
if you want to remove that thing, you will see what will happen.
Come on.
Can you see it? So immediately we put it inside. It will just suppress the power.
it will not explode.
So no explosion. If you put it inside your vehicle, no explosion. Inside your cylinder, your other, anything that is using fuel and gas.
Don't block video the thing.
So anything that is using fuel or gas, just put it inside.
How can you off this one now?
It's easy now.
Let me get
You just get something to just cover it. So if this thing is